discuss about our remaining part of the class, SS class, European transition. In previous class, we are already discussed about what is Renaissance. You got it? Yes. Here we have discussed about what the Renaissance and their works of paintings and also so many things in this class. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Yes, we are discuss about what is Renaissance. In this, Renaissance in literature. Have you heard about Renaissance literature? Yes, here so many literature in that time. The Petrarch AD 1304 and 1374 was one of the eminent writers of the Renaissance period. He is known as the father of Renaissance. Who is the father of Renaissance? Yes, Petrarch is the father of Renaissance. The magnum opus of Petrarch is Secretum. It's very important. Secretum is the very important things in this tub. Here we can see the picture of Petrarch. Okay. Here, the father of Renaissance is called Petrarch. The pictures of a few Renaissance writers and their works are given below. First one, Dante. Have you heard about Dante? Yes, Dante is the famous writer in the Renaissance period. His main work, the Divine Comedy. The Divine Comedy is the main work of Dante. Then second one, Boccaccio. Boccaccio is the his famous one, the Decameron. What is that? The Decameron. The third one, Cervantes, Don Quixote. Here, the works and their name also given this chapter. Here, at last, Erasmus in praise of folly. In praise of folly is the famous works of Erasmus. Okay, here in this work for you, names of the major Renaissance writers are given in the following table. Fill up the corresponding columns with the names of their works. It's a work for you. Here, first column we have done in writer's name, and you have to write in second column works. Okay, Petrarch and their work, Dante and their work, Boccaccio, Cervantes, Erasmus. These all are you have to complete the table. Okay, in second thing we have discussed in Renaissance in arts. Have you heard about arts? Yes, very good. The Renaissance spirit was most pronounced in painting. What's that? The Renaissance spirit was most pronounced in painting. Leonardo da Vinci was one of the great painters of the period. Have you heard about Da Vinci? Yes, very good. The famous painting, the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper are his famous painting. Okay, here the Leonardo da Vinci's famous work is Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. Okay, here the picture of a few prominent Renaissance painters and their works are given below. Here the Mona Lisa, the famous works of Leonardo da Vinci. Have you heard about Mona Lisa? Yes, here is a picture of Mona Lisa. What's that? In this Mona Lisa is a famous painting of a Renaissance period. The mysterious smile of Mona Lisa has led to much discussions and debates. Leonardo da Vinci, one of the famous artists of the Renaissance period, completed the painting in between AD 1503 and AD 1505. It's preserved in the Paris Museum. It's very clearly preserved in the Paris Museum in Mona Lisa. Okay, here the works of the Last Supper. Okay, it's very beautiful painting. The Last Supper. Okay, here we can see the picture of a Leonardo da Vinci. the famous painter in that. And at that, Michelangelo and the last judgment then Raphael, the school of Athens. This is the painting of the Renaissance period in that time. It was very influence in the people and their works is very important things in what that? Yes, Renaissance. The excellence in art was not limited to painting. It's very clearly show the excellence art was not limited to painting. In course of time, sublime works were created in the fields of architecture, sculpture, and music. The what's that? Architecture, sculpture, and music. His works is created in the fields of that once old. The prominent sculptures and architects and their works can be identified from the following pictures. Here, Lorenzo Gilberti. The painting, the sculpture is the door of Florence Baptistery. Here, the sculpture of the door of the Florence Baptistery. Here, have you seen this picture? It's very clearly, it's very beautiful. And then Donatello Gattamelata in the sculpture. It's existed in the examining the pictures and fill out the names of Renaissance arts, their notable works and respective field. Here we can see the table of your works. Lorenzo Gilberti won the door of the Florence Baptistry field architecture, and you also completed in this work two few examples in our class. Okay, can you understand? Yes, very good. In next, we have studied the Renaissance in science. What is that? Renaissance in science. You have you heard about science? Yes, very good. Here we have already discussed about what is Renaissance in arts, Renaissance in literature. Next, we have discussed Renaissance in science. You have learned that the sun is the center of solar system. You already studied that, and all planets, and we have to an idea about the solar system and all planets, including the Earth, revolve around it, haven't you? Yes, but formerly it was believed that the earth was the center of universe. Earth was the center of universe. In the Renaissance period, this belief was proven false. Have you heard? Yes, in this Renaissance period, this belief was proven false, not proven that time. Copernicus propounded the theory of the solar system and announced that the earth revolves around the sun. Later, Galileo Galilei invented the telescope, and using it, he scientifically proved that the theory put forward by Copernicus was true. It became easier to propagate Renaissance ideas widely among the masses with the invention of printing press by Gutenberg. Okay, here we can see the Galileo's telescope. Okay, Galileo's telescope and Johannes Gutenberg. Who is that? Yes, Gutenberg's printing press is formed printing press. Here you can see the story of printing. Where is influenced the printing? The printing press was invented by a German blacksmith, Johannes Gutenberg, in 1439. It was made of replaceable wooden alphabets. The invention of printing created a new reading culture. This resulted its evolutionary changes in the diffusion of knowledge. Gradually, the technology spread to other continents. Here, discuss the influence of the Renaissance in the field of science. Okay, here the Renaissance in the science we have already discussed. Okay, can you understand? As we have already discussed, what is Renaissance, what is Renaissance in literature, what is Renaissance in art, what is Renaissance in science. Okay, in this class is here all things are we discuss. Okay, can you understand? Yes, very good. Yes, my dear children, here we discuss about the Renaissance in art, the Renaissance in literature, the painting, the excellent works in Renaissance, and so many things. Here we conclude our class. The interesting part in next class. Okay, bye bye.